Why would you use an alternative to ChatGPT? Gaining access to more sophisticated capabilities is one of the key justifications for choosing a ChatGPT substitute. For instance, many of the substitutes provide speech recognition and sentiment analysis featuring that might assist organizations in having tailored discussion with clients. This enables businesses to create a more engaging experience by customizing the responses based on client feedback. Number 1. Google Bard. Google's response to ChatGPT is Google Bard. Lambda, language model for dialogue applications. A tool developed by Google powers this experimental conversational AI service. The straightforward explanation is the Bard is an additional AI chatbot similar to ChatGPT. Lambda has been fed trillions of words, claims Google's FAQ page on Bard. This makes it more competent to anticipate responses and carry on a discussion. However, Bard is not all-knowing like ChatGPT. In reality, a Google Bard demo that caused the company's stock to lose billions of dollars overnight showed off Bard's enormous ability to make mistakes. Therefore, as with any chatbot, you need to use caution while using some of Bard's information. Bard was created with search in mind. It seeks to make it possible for more natural language queries to be accepted as search terms. The artificial intelligence AI of Bard is honed using conversationals that sounds natural. It gives context to the response rather than just a list of answers. It is also intended to assist with follow-up inquiries. New search terms. Users can fact-check generated results using Bard's shared discussion and double-check functions. Google started granting consumers access to Bard on March 21, 2023. And asked them to sign up for a waitlist. Google canceled the backlog and made Bard available in more than 180 nations and territories in May 10, 2023. On February 6, 2023, Google Bard was first teased with an ambiguous release date. Many people thought that Google rushed Bard out before it was ready because they felt pressured by ChatGPT's popularity and favorable coverage. For instance, it provided a query with an extremely incorrect response during a live demonstration by Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai. Number 2. Microsoft Bing Chat. Microsoft Sydney, the code name for Bing's new conversation, is making waves in the AI industry. This simply serves to demonstrate that Google is not the only company attempting to break into the AI business. Additionally, Microsoft has unveiled an updated version of Bing that makes use of an upgraded ChatGPT. Microsoft asserts that this new version is even faster and more accurate than the previous one. You may ask AI chatbot question via Bing Chat, and you'll get human-like answers with footnotes that refer back to the sources. It can give you current information because it's connected to the internet, notably Bing, which is another feature that ChatGPT's free edition lacks. The chatbot may assist you with your artistic endeavors, including creating a poem, essay, or song. It can also aid you with challenging math or coding problems, and it can even create images from text using the same platform's Bing Image Creator. The new Bing will support ChatGPT as its default search engine, giving ChatGPT access to all of the web and up-to-date news. As a result of the collaboration, ChatGPT now has citations, enabling users to identify exactly where its responses originated. Additionally, Microsoft declared that it would follow the OpenAI Open Plugin standard, enabling communication between ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot, an AI assistant function for Microsoft 365 programs and services. Because OpenAI released more than 70 plugins to its ChatGPT Plus subscribers just a week before build, this openness is huge for Bing Chat users. In addition to OpenTable and Wolfram Alpha, Bing Chat is anticipated to receive further plugins from Kayak, Klarna, Redfin, and Zillow. Last but not the least, a new Windows Copilot integration will allow Bing Chat to be used in Windows 11 in addition to Edge. Number 3. Jasper.ai. Jasper.ai is a cloud-based conversational AI platform with strong natural language understanding (NLU) and dialogue management features. Similar to ChatGPT, it may inspire writers, promote article creation, and help marketing teams create compelling ad language and visuals. For jobs relating to customer support, sales, and marketing, Jasper AI leverages Open's GPT 3.5 in conjunction with internal NLU models. Artificial intelligence has emerged as a prominent actor in the dynamic realm of content creation, with Jasper AI taking the lead. We hope to share some light in the AI-powered writing assistance that is attracting interest from the industry as we go into this in-depth review and guidance. This essay will offer an objective evaluation of Jasper AI, examining its features, functionalities, and potential to transform the way you create content. A program called Jasper.ai was developed to make it simple for businesses, marketers, and content creators to produce top-notch content. But what distinguishes Jasper from the plethora of AI writing tools? How does it work? And maybe more significantly, can it actually improve your content development strategy? These inquiries will be addressed in the comprehensive guide, which provides a thorough grasp of Jasper. Jasper Brand Voice is a potent collection of capabilities that enables customers to imbue AI-generated content with their distinct brand voice. This function ensures that every piece of content produced by the organization adheres to the corporate identity, tone, and style. It can also learn about your company's data, product catalogs, target markets, and other talking points, which is much better. Jasper can therefore access a complete memory of what your company does and how it does it when it's set out to develop branded content. Because of this, AI-generated content is less likely to undergo extensive editing before deployment. It saves time and conveys a brand's message in all modes of communication precisely and consistently. Number 4. Cloud. Recently, Anthropic released Cloud, a next-generation AI assistant that can handle a variety of conversational and text processing activities. Anthropic studies into teaching AI systems to be helpful, trustworthy, and harmless served as a foundation of the creation of Cloud. Cloud can support you with use cases including summarizing, searching, writing creatively and collaboratively, answering questions, coding, and more. It is accessible through their developer's console chat interface and API. Cloud is available from Anthropic in 2 different iterations, Cloud and Cloud Instant, with the latter being a lighter, more affordable, and quicker choice. The business has joint ventures with a number of companies such as Quora, Juni Learning, Notion, and DuckDuckGo. While Cloud Instant is a quicker and more cost-effective model appropriate for informal chats, text analysis, summarization, and document-based inquiries and responses. Cloud 2 is the successor of Cloud 1, trained with a larger dataset to perform better with a larger context window. With the help of a sizable text and code dataset, all iterations of Cloud are taught to do a variety of tasks, summarizing text, finding information, and producing creative outputs like songs, poems, scripts, music, emails, and letters are some of these duties. Cloud also thrives at providing answers and working with people on imaginative ideas. Cloud is trained on a dataset that has been painstakingly screened to ensure that dangerous content is excluded. Anthropic continuously tracks Cloud's performance to reduce safety hazards. Cloud's training data cutoff date, according to Anthropic, is December 2022, but it may know some events into early 2023. One of its reasons Cloud is superior to ChatGPT is that its current data, which gives it an advantage over ChatGPT's data cutoff point of September 2021. Number 5. ChatSonic. A ChatGPT substitute with the ability to produce factual information is ChatSonic. According to its page, it is powered by Google Search, which means you might be able to use it instantly to produce materials that contains accurate, true information about hot issues and current events. The GPT-3 language model from OpenAI, which has only been trained on information datasets up to 2021, is the foundation of ChatGPT. Unless ChatSonic has invented a brand new process that processes current information aside its program, it appears to promise like this regarding the capabilities of such product may be false. If not, it vastly exaggerates the capabilities of the program. With the help of Brightsonic's ChatSonic chatbot platform, businesses can use the AI to personalize customer interactions. In order to replicate human speech, a sophisticated machine learning model built on neural network is paired with a scripted conversation. ChatSonic is used to create text and images, and it has a strong relationship with Google Search, which aids in producing highly relevant material. Additionally, it can create any type of materials for any website, including Gmail, Twitter, Facebook, WordPress, emails, tweets, articles, product descriptions, and so forth. ChatSonic is simple to use. Simply choose ChatSonic in the Brightsonic library, then issue voice command. ChatSonic may be used to swiftly produce content and create images. You can access a completely free version of it with fewer features right now at www.freegpt.me. Novel AI is another tool you can use to quickly generate stories using AI. As a last option, ChatSonic may also assist with mid-journey suggestions, serve as a translation, assist with GitHub, serve as a professional fitness trainer, and assist with cooking instruction. That's all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notification. Also, express your valuable thoughts in the comment section below. Until then, bye! Also, spend some time watching other videos on our channel.